Want to hide all of your old posts from your Facebook timeline so strangers, new friends, or basically anyone can't scroll through your history? All steps shown, quick and effective. Let's secure your profile. Method 1. Limit past posts. Hide old public or friends of friends posts from non-friends. Fastest bulk change. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll to Audience and Visibility or Privacy. Then tap Posts. Tap Limit Who Can See Past Posts or search Limit Past Posts. In the top search bar, if hard to find, tap Limit Past Posts or the option View next to it. Read the info. It changes old public and friends of friends posts to friends only. Confirm by tapping Limit Past Posts again. Done. Non-friends can no longer see your old posts. Huge privacy win in just one click. Method 2. Extra privacy boost recommended for max protection. Finish the lockdown. Go to the settings on your Facebook app and audience and visibility again, then posts and tap Who Can See Your Future Posts. Set it to friends or only me. There you have it, your past posts hidden as much as Facebook allows. If this gave you back some peace of mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more current Facebook privacy tutorials. Stay private, stay safe. See you in the next time.